What's up, Wildcats? Chef Ryan Clark here from Casino del Sol with another recipe from Soul Bowl's Champion Tailgate of the Week. This week's recipe, we're doing a grilled shrimp skewer. The shrimp I've got here, but we're gonna need a butter for it. So I'm gonna start off by making that so we can get it heated up. Got a little bit of butter. This is a whole garlic clove, so this is the entire thing. We're just gonna add it in. A little bit of the mesquite whiskey here. This is the Dorado. And then I've got 1 lemon. We're just gonna add the entire thing in with the skins. So I'm gonna add this to the stove real quick and get everything melted. So while that's cooking, I've got some beautiful shrimp. This is a shrimp from Wymus. It's U10s, which means there's under 10 shrimp per pound. So these are pretty big. Pretty simple little marinade. I like to do these before we skewer them. So I've got salt here, fresh pepper. And then this is gremolata. This is basically parsley with a touch of garlic and lemon zest that we chop together. And we've got our skewers here. We'll start to build these. So pretty simple. Go through one side, right through almost to the tail. And we'll start to build these up. All right, so we'll take our shrimp skewers over to the grill. We've got the heat on about medium high. We'll give them a little bit of oil and we're gonna go right on the grill. All right, so shrimp's on the grill. We're gonna finish those up right now, but we're gonna make the dressing. So this is a green goddess dressing. So I've got a blender. It's one of the easiest ways to do it. A little bit of aioli. This is some white anchovy, some gremolata, which is the chopped parsley, garlic, and lemon. A little bit of goat's cheese and a little bit of sour cream. I'm just gonna do a touch of the apple cider vinegar. And just to sweeten it up, just a touch, a little bit of that local honey from Heirloom Farmers Market. We'll season it with salt and pepper. We'll go right up here. So we'll let our dressing rest. I've got a couple things for our salad. This is a little bit of red leaf. Let's take the core out. Add that into our bowl here. I've got some watermelon radish here, which is really pretty. I'm gonna slice this as thin as you can. What I like to do is come back and cut little matchsticks out of it. It's a little bit easier to eat. And then we'll come back here with our green goddess dressing. So just enough to dress it. So we're gonna toss this up, go back to the grill, we'll grab the shrimp. All right, so we have our grilled shrimp off the grill, glazed with that Del Bach whiskey butter. We're gonna go ahead and plate this up. So here's our salad, red leaf, a little bit of that watermelon radish and our green goddess dressing. Cool thing about these skewers, you can just pick them up like this. You can drop them right on the plate. Here we go, our recipe of the week from Casino del Sol's Soul Bowl Tailgate Champion of the Week. We've got grilled jumbo shrimp with the Del Bach whiskey butter, underneath a little lettuce with green goddess dressing. Of course, we're pairing that up with our Dragoon Brewing Company beer. And we've got our favorite, the IPA.